It's a significant day at the Apex Court today, which will be resuming the hearing in the IPL fixing case. And Times now exclusively spoke to Justice Mudgal just ahead of the hearing. Then in that case, take a listen to what he had to say.
The hearing in the Supreme Court resumes today on the IPL spot fixing saga, and joining me right now is Justice Mudgal. So there were strong observations last time from the Supreme Court. Do you think there's a chance that CSK will be disqualified?
No, I can't say anything about that. Depends on what the response of the BCCI and Mr. Srinivasan is. I can't say anything about it.
The Supreme Court has also raised questions on the structure of Chennai Super Kings and raising questions over the stakeholding pattern. So a direct comment at Mr. N Srinivasan and his conflict of interest?
Well, I can't make a comment. You see, the case is pending in Supreme Court and our report is under consideration. It would be inappropriate for me to make any comment about pending matters.
BCCI has asked for an outside panel to handle punishments of those who are mentioned in the Mudgal report. What do you have to say to that?
They are free to ask for it. Ultimate decision is that of the Honorable Supreme Court.
Two questions more. The Supreme Court has said that there is no need for further investigations. There has to be immediate action. You think BCCI will be able to take immediate action?
Well, all depend on the argument of the BCCI and the order to be passed by the Supreme Court. I mean, if the Supreme Court wants it to be taken, it will be taken.
So going ahead into the verdict, Supreme Court has made very strong observations in the past few hearings. So how important are these when we are looking at a possible verdict in the times to come?
Look, observations are during argument. You must wait for what the verdict or the final judgment will be. So we can't predict anything on the basis of the observation. Of course, every observation by the Honorable Supreme Court has some meaning, but I cannot say that that is the verdict.